Exactly 2 years ago, I uploaded my first video to YouTube. And back then I had 0 subscribers and I had absolutely no experience. So in this video, I want to share exactly how much money I have earned over the past 2 years of uploading videos on the internet. And as I said, I started with 0 subscribers, and today, as of right now, I have 18,909 subscribers, and the channel is growing very fast these days. And in total, I made $13,153. So that is an average of $545 per month over the last 2 years. And this is primarily from YouTube, AdSense, and then a little bit of affiliate collaborations here and there. And I know that this is not like a life-changing amount of money, and it is actually a really low number for 2 years of hard work and dedication and looking cringe on the internet. But I'm okay with that, and I'm okay with saying it out loud, because if you do social media or any other business for that matter, you just have to accept that you put in 3 to 5 years of hard work without seeing any results at all, basically. But then everything that you do will slowly compound over time, and then all the results will come eventually. And I know that if I just keep on posting and working hard and learning new things and improving as I go along, then all of a sudden the growth will come and I will be hopefully very successful and make a lot of money. At least that is my goal, and that is what I truly believe will happen if I just keep on going.